Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Free up at least 1 to 2 GB on your capture drive and plug in a fast USB 3.0 stick. Once done, close background apps and disable party chat so the console isn't encoding extra audio. Then open capture settings and set resolution to 720p or lower. This lowers file size and CPU load, which immediately reduces lag when recording. Make sure auto-upload is off so clips aren't uploading mid-capture and adding stutter. Next, switch to manual capture so encoding only runs when you tell it to. This prevents constant resource use. Choose 30 frames per second or a variable frame rate to lower encoder pressure, which reduces dropped frames. Move older clips to an external HDD or cloud backup so internal storage stays above 10% free. Low free space causes write slowdowns and lag. Once moved, test a short 30-second clip to confirm smooth recording before you To finish, record a short test clip and play it back on the console to confirm smoothness before you edit or upload. If you still see lag, clear the capture cache in settings and perform a full reboot. This clears transient encoder states. If transfers are slow, reformat the USB drive to XFAT and move clips again, as file system choice affects write speed. Finally, if problems continue, lower bitrate or resolution further and repeat testing until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.